How often should you hear from your attorney? You will hear from your attorney as much as you need to, but probably not as much as you want to. Our attorneys are very busy and they handle a lot of cases. So there's a few times when you're definitely going to hear from your attorney. You're going to hear from your attorney at hearings.
I'd stop that. I don't feel that important. The moment you said we have a lot of attorneys and they handle a lot of cases.
Right. Yep. How often are you going to hear from your attorney? You are going to hear from your attorney as much as you need to, but maybe not as much as you want to. The reality is that these cases move slowly. And while you may want an update every week, nothing is going to change most weeks. The big times that we need to talk to you is once we've gathered all of the evidence, we want to make sure that you have all of that. You have the opportunity to go through it because you know the case better than we do. You know what's missing from that discovery that we need to investigate. So we want to get that to you early so that you can go over that. You can point out anything that we need to be investigating or any defenses that we need to be looking into or researching, okay? So at that point, there may be a meeting with the attorney depending on what you identified. Then, if we've conducted an investigation, you're going to want to meet with your attorney to find out what happened in that investigation. It may be something that your paralegal can do for you. It depends on what came up. You're really going to want to stay in touch with your paralegal. That's your primary point of contact. And then you're going to see your attorney every time at court. And the big sit down is going to happen much later in the case than you want, when we're going to sit down once we've done all of the pretrial litigation and the negotiation, when we have a big sit down to decide whether we're going to trial or we're going to plea. The reality is that you are responsible for your case. You need to care about it as much as we do, which means that you need to be proactive, that you need to let us know what we need to do, what we need to know. That paralegal is your absolute key to getting information into and out of the law firm. That's your go-to. The attorney will be there when they need to be, but your paralegals are your go-to. And we have phenomenal paralegals. Oh my God, the people that we have gotten, I have been so lucky. For many of my clients, their paralegal actually becomes an ongoing friend, somebody they know, somebody they care about, they send presents to. I get a little jealous every now and then, but it's all right. They're good people. Listen, give us a call. We can talk about all of that. But don't stress if you haven't heard from your attorney. You know, good news, no news is good news. And that probably means that nothing's changed. If anything's changed, we'll let you know. I'm David Patton. I am here to help you.